Hello everyone, and thank you very much for deciding to be a part of my course, Hands-On Penetration Testing Labs 1.0. I originally created this course in 2017, and then I decided in July 2019 to redo most of it, because for one thing, the technology has changed substantially since that time frame, and I've made great improvements with my production quality. Additionally, I have created a series of similarly named courses, so I wanted to give a good first impression to all of my highly valued students. The first thing that I'd like to mention is that my style of teaching may be a bit different from what you're used to. Instead of having you read along with PowerPoint presentations while I explain theory, which I find to be ineffective for learning pen testing skills and IT in general, we're going to be diving straight into some hands-on technical labs. Not only is this the best way to prepare for real-world scenarios such as when you're on the job, but it's also the only effective way to prepare for hands-on technical certifications such as those offered by Offensive Security and eLearn Security, OSCP for example. Those certifications are the most respected in the pen testing community, as they favor learning real technical skills as opposed to rote memorization and multiple choice question examination. For this course, you're going to need a reliable internet connection and a decent laptop or PC that can run at least 2 virtual machines at the same time with VirtualBox. I suggest that you have a minimum of 8 gigs of RAM, but you may be able to get away with less, although you may notice a difference in performance. The more you have, the better. I've tested this course with Windows 7 and Windows 10, which appear to be the most compatible with modern virtualization software hypervisors in general. That being said, we're going to focus on enumeration and exploitation using the pen testing industry standard operating system, Kali Linux. This operating system has a ton of built-in features that will help us conquer a variety of intentionally vulnerable virtual machines. During this course, we'll be covering port scanning, automated and manual remote exploitation, local privilege escalation, buffer overflow exploit development, and much more. Everything software-based that's needed for this course will be provided to you for free. I've set up a convenient Google Drive and have converted all necessary vulnerable VMs to VirtualBox format and have tested their functionality with VirtualBox as of July 2019. Unfortunately, there is always a chance that the software won't work the same as it did when I recorded the videos when you take the course, as technology is constantly changing and evolving. I do my best to update courses as big changes occur. Also, I'm available to help you out in the messaging or Q&A system if you run into any trouble. Otherwise, you can attempt troubleshooting on your own by Googling the errors and figuring out solutions to any problems that arise. This is what I would suggest prior to asking questions, as troubleshooting and researching on the fly is one of the most important skills you can have as a pen tester and as an IT professional in general. I am highly looking forward to working with all of you and cannot thank you enough for your support. If you enjoy my course, please leave a good review, as it helps me reach a wider audience to help prepare for our next generation of cybersecurity professionals.